Hey, so the question that came from a member is, can I do questions and answers for my business inside a Google Business Profile? And is that permitted or is that allowed? It's actually something we recommend. It's a great way for you to be able to put your own questions in there and then answer them as a business owner. So the proper way of doing this is you come into your Google Business Profile, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to Q&A option. Once you're inside of the Q&A option, you're going to click ask a question. So you're going to type your question into here. It could be, do you offer, it could be whatever you wanted it to be inside of there. What it's going to do is it's going to come up with a question, then you can answer it. So inside of here, let's think of a question for us real quick. Do you offer coaching? So I can come in here, I can say, do you offer coaching? I can say post. I then can say done. Then I can find it right here. So do you offer coaching? I can come in here and I can answer. Yes, we offer marketing coaching. And then I can click on post. It's now going to be posted inside of there. So now when someone comes in and looks at the Google Business Profile, they're going to be able to do this. Let's go to Google, search for Simply Be Found. So now it's going to be listed inside of the coaching right here, and it comes across as Simply Be Found owner. That is the way to be able to do that. Now, to properly stack your questions and answers, you want anywhere between 50 and 100 questions inside of here. And this is going to be a great way for you to be able to bring AEO marketing into play. So keep that in mind as you're building these out. If you have any questions whatsoever, what questions you should be asking inside of here, and a lot more than what I just try to do on the fly, and you want to build that up, that is something we do offer with coaching. So inside of that coaching piece, you can say, hey, what questions do you recommend? And do you have any suggested answers? That way you have a template to kind of work from and to be able to go through and tweak it for your business, and you're not trying to come up with everything from scratch. This allows us to look at your keywords that you have and be able to build that up, and that is a benefit that we have at simplybefound.com, and that comes with all of our plans that have the listings engine on it. So, but this is how you properly answer your questions and answers inside of your Google Business Profile. If you want to be able to learn more about stuff like this, make sure you subscribe. My name is Rob. I'm one of the co-founders here at Simply Be Found, and I've been doing this for now over 30 years. Have a great day. Bye-bye.